Good morning, good afternoon or good evening. Welcome to the launch of Extreme X. Ladies and gentlemen, we wholeheartedly welcome you to the magnificent launch of Extreme X 2020. I'm Ria Philip, live from India, and I'm honored to be your host today. We are proud to share innovation of Agape with all our esteemed customers. At Agape, we create not only quality products, but also the customer experience. Say the advent of intelligent breed MISPA I or a first initiative in pre-analytics MISPA label. Agape has always focused on customer satisfaction through its innovative products. We at Agape always want to reinvent technology as to create an outstanding experience, and today we're going to give out the best product launch experience. We are excited to welcome all our customers and friends across the globe. As Agape users and value providers, you inspire us to be innovative. Thank you for joining us. So now let's welcome the Director and Chief Operating Officer, Mrs. Meena Thomas, onto the dais. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Ria.
So the stage is all yours now.
Thank you, Ria. Dear colleagues, friends and well-wishers, a very warm welcome to one and all. I wholeheartedly welcome you to the grand launch of MISPA Count X. As rightly said by Martin Luther King, we must accept finite disappointment but never lose infinite hope. Friends, we are amidst one of the worst times of 21st century. It is imperative that we must stay focused and keep doing our path in most optimistic manner. Our desire to be human has made us explore the core values, a culture that is based on trust, respect, excellence and care, which helped us in the past 25 years. With this note, let me take the opportunity to welcome our chief guest and keynote speakers of today's grand event, Mr. Thomas John, Managing Director, Agape Diagnostics Limited, Dr. Keshav Panda, CEO and Managing Director of L&T Technology Services Limited, Dr. D.M. Vasudevan, Director, Agape Diagnostics Limited, and Dr. Vijay Parekh, Scientific Advisor, R&D Equipment. I welcome you all. Agape, in its endeavor to be the best partner in diagnostics for the welfare of mankind, was jointly working on a project in the field of hematology to develop the first Make in India 3-part hematology analyzer. Today, we are gathered here for the commercial launch of MISPA Count X. MISPA Count X is a result of collaboration between Agape Diagnostics Limited and L&T Technology Services Limited. Agape, in the past, has always strived for innovation, and we are proud to be known to define the unnoticed edges. Agape has launched the I-Series range of equipment for specific protein analysis based on nephelometry technology with MISPA I, MISPA I2, MISPA I3 and MISPA I4. We are also the first to introduce the pre-analytical segment with MISPA label and MISPA view. The products were developed with a focus on the concept of Make in India, and we at Agape are able to achieve this feat again with the hematology segment, the first to offer an indigenously designed and developed 3-part hematology analyzer MISPA Count X for the global audience.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for speaking with us. After acquiring experience as a professional in the industry, he had a vision to provide high-quality diagnostic solutions through highest level of customer connect by ensuring innovative and affordable products. Consequently, Agape Diagnostics was born in 1994 at a factory premises at Mumbai. From a humble beginning there, he has developed it over a period of time into a world-class manufacturing unit here at Kochi, which is the largest in India. We are now opening this ceremony, and I wholeheartedly welcome a driving force, a beloved Managing Director, Mr. Thomas John, a visionary at the pinnacle of the hierarchy, spearheading the entire functions at the threshold of diversification and expansion of Agape Diagnostics Limited. The stage is yours.
Thank you, Ria. Hi friends, we have completed our long heritage of 25 years and we are proud to have launched products that has helped our nation. Our vision to be the best partner in the diagnostics field for the welfare of mankind. This has guided us for these 25 years and helped consolidate our positions as the fastest growing IVD company in India. Quality, innovation and affordability are the 3 success mantras of Agape. We believe that our progress in this industry should be rooted through equipping our rural areas with the diagnostics methods at par with the international standards. This has helped us design, develop and launch our range of equipments and reagents. In the year 2011, Agape launched the first semi-automated protein estimation system in India, a time when protein estimation was not so common. The importance of protein estimation came to the limelight when COVID-19 pandemic affected the globally. We are proud to support more than 10,000 laboratories in India and other developing countries with our MISPA series range of instruments and reagents. Today we are proud to have a series of instruments in protein estimation from semi-automated to fully automated platforms installed across the globe, counting to more than 15,000 installations. In the year 2015, we entered an alliance for hematology research with L&T Technologies Services, a leading global engineering services company. Today is a historical day as Agape is launching India's first indigenously built 3-part hematology analyzer, MISPA Count X, in research partnership with Agape L&T Technology Services. The X series of hematology analyzers are going to revolutionize the Indian hematology segment, which is purely dependent on the import. MISPA Count X is the first among the array of instruments in the hematology segment, and we have planned to range of hematology systems in the X series to cater to the different customer segments in India and other developing countries. Backed by our state-of-art reagent and equipment facility, we are able to fully manufacture the MISPA Count X and its associated hematology reagents with a capacity of 1,250 equipments per shift per month and 1,20,000 kits per shift in a month. We are confident to cater to the existing 55 to 60,000 laboratories within India and the vast global market overseas. It gives me immense pleasure to announce to the world about the launch of MISPA Count X, the indigenously designed and developed 3-part hematology analyzer that will elevate India to self-sufficient in hematology segment. It will help set up well-equipped laboratories capable of carrying out the required diagnostics tests at the most remote locations around the globe. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to launch MISPA Count X. Today is a great day for us and especially to me. Today, with the launch of this CountX, it's my 17 years of the dream come to realities. I thank L&T Technologies and Agape R&D team for supporting me to bring these realities. Thank you, and thanks all the customers in India and other developing countries for taking all the pains to come for this launch and giving a great opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Thomas sir. I hope you all have enjoyed the launch of MISPA CountX. Now I take this opportunity to welcome Dr. Keshav Panda, the Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of L&T Technology Services. Dr. Panda has over 31 years of global industry experience in research, conceptualizing, creating and operationalizing and turning around complex technology and engineering services and businesses. He has obtained a graduate degree in aeronautical engineering from Anna University, Chennai, and a postgraduate degree in aerospace engineering from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. He started his career as a research scientist in Indian Space Research Organization and worked at the Aeronautical Development Agency under the Defense Ministry of the Government of India as a scientist engineer for over 8 years. Dr. Panda was recognized as CEO of the Year by the leading news channel CNBC Awards as a result of his distinguished contributions to the engineering and technological sectors over the past 3 decades. He has also been named CEO of the Year by news channel Economic Times Now. The Business Leader of the Year Awards Committee had also recognized Dr. Panda as CEO of the Year in 2018. He has transformed L&T Technology Services into a company focused on innovation and new technology, leading the CII to recognize L&T Technology Services as one of the most innovative Indian companies in the services category. So it's an honor for us to have you on the dais. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Rhea. Let me first congratulate Agape team and L&T Technology Services, medical and life science business for contributing to India to be self-reliant in medical services. We come from Lasana to grow engineering heritage for 80 plus years. L&T Technology Services has inherited that experience and build on this further. We work on multiple vertical segment. We believe technology can be borrowed from one segment to other segment. We work on industrial, medical, transportation, telecom, high-tech, and plant engineering. There are 5 segments we work on. The area we focus on, in this we are involved right from chip design to building AI-based smart products to designing plants, and factories helping transform this factory to smart factories that we have been doing around the world. This made us, in a very short time, as #1 pure play engineering services company around the world. I'm very proud to say that we made a great achievement in the last few years. Innovation is one of the pillars for us. We built this company on 3 pillars. One is engineering heritage we got from Lasser to grow, and innovation is second pillar, and third one is multi-vertical segment where the technology can be borrowed from one segment to the other segment on 3 pillars to build this company. This has helped us. We solved some of the most complicated problems in the area of like technology to make world's smartest campus, which we did. Building world's first dual screen phone, building world's first handheld gyro screwdriver, world's first commercial mesh network for grids. So if you see all these problems, they are all multi-vertical problems. Taking technology from one to other, we have been successful in doing that. In medical space, we have over 30 plus years of experience, medical engineering experience, work across various domains and all major verticals in medical. And we have been involved in solving engineering challenges such as reusable surgical stapler to 3D knee printing. World's first 40 ATM rated angioplasty devices, etc. This is our contribution to medical science. Contribution in terms of technology is always priority, and one of the areas which we believe can have a huge contribution to the motherland in medical space, which India needs today. Some of the contribution in which we have worked, entrepreneur kit that we developed with Department of Science. We believe collaboration with the academic institution and other industries is very important for us to take the next step. We worked on the AI solution for faster and efficient detection of lung diseases. We work with the many hospitals and nursing homes to contribute to that, and also the Indians of technology. The cost-efficient ambulatory and home ventilator design with Indians of science. The project is under progress right now. LTTS is very pleased to partner with the Agape for developing a 3-part hematology analyzer, which we believe will help lives of our country citizens. We are engineering the change. The main engineering concern was to develop a complete product from scratch, which is both affordable, reliable, but also as efficient as the world-class product. We were sure that by combining Agape's deep understanding of Indian diagnostic industry needs and L&T Technology Services cutting-edge capabilities in IVD, engineering space, we were able to fulfill the vision. Let me compliment again the team, both Agape and L&T Technology Services team coming together, doing such a fantastic job. It gives me great joy in saying that we were able to achieve both the objective with the MISPA Count X. Once again, congratulations to our Agape team, which is backed by L&T Technology Services, passionate engineers working with them hand to hand to do this project. Thank you and congratulations again.
Thank you, Dr. Panda, for speaking with us. We all are excited to know more about MISPA Count X. Ladies and gentlemen, let me take this opportunity to call upon our Group Product Manager, Mr. John Mathai, to take us through technical features of MISPA Count X. Welcome, sir. The stage is all yours now.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to be part of this event. As you know, we are at the launch event of MISPA Count X. And MISPA Count X, the X stands for Extreme. Make in India. Yes, we are first time coming with an indigenous hematology analyzer. And this analyzer is the result of hard work of 2 teams, the research and development wing of L&T and of course the R&D team of Agape. MISPA Count X is a 3-part hematology analyzer designed to give you quality result, most precise yet at the most convenient rate. MISPA CountX is an advanced 3-part differential hematology analyzer with smart impedance technology, offering quality CBC testing. One of the best features is the ergonomic design. The guaranteed to stand out with its classic good look, MISPA CountX is designed to fit in any lab, as it offers small footprint and the most ergonomic design. The unique powerful design with curved sampling area offers hazard-free sampling processes with an impressive look. The radial design probe with broad aspiration switch makes sampling easy at the best of the convenience. MISPA CountX provides us freedom to do 20 parameters. This includes the RBC, the WBC, and the platelet. And it offers the freedom to do PLCR, which is one of the parameters which is required in this time. The throughput of the analyzer is 60 tests. That means it can do 60 tests in an hour. The automated clock clearing is another function. MISPA CountX have smash function, which sees that the entire clog is removed from the aperture, so that you get quality result without any interference. Storage is another part. MISPA CountX has a memory of 35,000 sample results with 3 histograms. The patient data is stored and recovered as per your convenience. The MISPA CountX uses 3 reagent system: the DX3 diluent, the CX3 cleaner, and the lyse, the LX3. The smart reagent inventory system for real-time monitoring makes MISPA CountX the choice for your lab. MISPA CountX is developed with high-tech laser cut ruby aperture of 70 micron for RBC and platelet and 100 micron for WBC, which provides high precision and interference-free results. The syringe system of MISPA CountX is best in the segment. The polytetrafluoroethylene syringes in MISPA CountX are highly thermochemical resistant and maintenance-free. The hydrophobic nature delivers high precision pipetting. MISPA CountX offers best user interface and data transfer system. The MISPA CountX come with barcode scanner and have advanced LIS integration system which enables easy transfer of data. My dear customers and channel partners, the MISPA CountX offers quality results and best user experience. Hope you enjoyed my quick session. Thank you very much and have a great day ahead.
Thank you, John. Moving right along, it is now my pleasure to introduce the next speaker. Agape's in-house R&D program is guided by Professor Dr. D.M. Vasudevan, a well-known medical educationalist in India and abroad. Dr. Vasudevan has presented over 250 papers in various national and international conferences. His book on biochemistry is taught in all medical universities in India and some of the universities abroad. Dr. D.M. Vasudevan has a vital role as the Technical Director for Research and Development, expanding and continuously improving the products and services of the company with a world-class R&D program. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Dr. D.M. Vasudevan.
Thank you, Riya, for introducing me. Dear friends, quality is the core strength of Agape. I am proud to state that the company is committed to produce reagents and instruments with high quality. We invest a substantial portion of our profits in R&D efforts to make our indigenous products comparable with global standards. We serve the world with the top-class products that promise consistency in quality, that too at affordable price. The quality has the following ingredients. 1. Reproducibility. Using the same kit, taking the same quantity of reagents, the same results should be obtained. 2. Specificity. Reagent should not cross-react with other substances in the blood. 3. Sensitivity. Even small quantity of the substance present in the blood should be quantitated by the method. 4. Batch to batch variability should be minimal. 5. Reagent stability at specified temperature. 6. Utilizing state-of-art knowledge or latest technology. We are the only company in India which has the expertise to produce the nephelometry and immunoturbidimetry reagents with a vast panel of reagents. Further, we are the only Indian company which has developed the latex technology for quantitative estimation of blood parameters. Moreover, in collaboration with Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute, Trivandrum, we have already developed reagents for molecular biology tests. This emphasis in quality is the basis of various awards received by us. Some important awards are: 1. We received the recognition for the Department of Science and Industrial Research, Government of India in 2011. 2. We received the coveted NGSP certificate, that is glycohemoglobin standardization program, for developing the reagents for HbA1c estimation in blood. This certificate is from an international body. We are the only Indian company who got the NGSP certificate. 3. We got the National Award for Successful Commercialization of Indigenous Technology in May 2018. This award was received from the President of India. Today, the Agape is taking a decisive step towards the Make in India program by launching MISPA Count X. I congratulate the team worked behind this particular revolutionary development. More and more such innovations will surely be available from Agape team in future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vasudevan sir. A paramedical professional with experience of 45 plus years in the in vitro diagnostic sector with specialization in diagnostic hematology. Dr. Vijay Parekh have travelled widely in South Asian and Southeast Asian countries for conducting scientific seminars, workshops and providing scientific training. A forerunner and pioneer in diagnostic hematology, he has advocated the advantages of technology in the diagnosis of maladies encountered daily in clinical practice. Dr. Vijay Parekh is presently part of Agape as a scientific advisor, R&D Equipments Agape.
Hello,
So we are happy to have your presence over here.
greetings to all of you. It's a pleasure to be here to participate in an event that I have been looking forward to, and if it wasn't for this period of COVID pandemic, it would have been in person. Today, when Agape is launching the MISPA Count X, as the word says, MISPA, a good beginning, it is indeed a good beginning whose time has come, and gladly it is not too late. Almost 100 years back, Mahatma Gandhi started the movement to be Swadeshi, and today the circumstances have created the requirement of going Atmanirbhar. Having been participating in diagnostic hematology for last 45 plus years, I realize that my experience spans across the most varied technologies to do the basic blood counts, from the most basic Newber chamber based counting or the cell counters getting introduced in the late 70s and early 80s, to the most sophisticated hematology analyzers being available to our countrymen in the last 4 decades. The cell counters introduced an era of precision and accuracy that was unparalleled for us. Why us alone? It was unparalleled for the world when the cell counters were introduced in mid 1950s. So having seen the entire spectrum of work from the most basic to the most sophisticated, it became a very happy opportunity for me to get associated with Agape Diagnostics, which somehow had anticipated the need for producing entirely indigenously developed hematology analyzer much before the Atmanirbhar Abhiyan started in our country recently. During the period that I am associated with them, I have been able to use the experience that I have. I am able to learn from them and the other intelligent and marvelous group of people from Larsen and Toubro. The development of MISPA Countex became a reality, and such development was already announced to the world before the COVID pandemic, and it would have started commercial marketing by April. Anyway, it is still an opportunity and a privilege that I am enjoying to be associated with Agape when they are launching their Agape's MISPA Countex, the first indigenously produced hematology analyzer. It has been evaluated at several noteworthy institutions in our country, and the results it shows when compared with other well-known brands in hematology analyzers stands on its own feet and gives excellent correlation and advantages that Agape intends to bring to the smallest laboratories in this country and also in other developing countries. It is indeed a privilege and an honor, as I repeat, to be associated with Agape when they are launching their MISPA Countex 3-part hematology analyzer, and this is just the beginning. Their associations with several technology institutes give them the advantage that others do not have of being at the forefront of technology as it is emerging in our country, and already they have a pioneering status in the nephrometry and protein analysis, and I do not see why they will not achieve the status similar to that in also hematology analysis. I wish them all the success that they deserve. They have worked hard for, and I am happy to be part of the development and launch of Agape's MISPA Countex. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Vijay Parikh. Next, I welcome Mr. Muralidhara Hosahalli, Global Delivery Head Medical Devices and Life Sciences L&T Technology Services. He, along with his team, played a key role in the designing and developing CountX. During a career spanning 3 decades, he has been involved in solving some of the most complex healthcare challenges, such as the world's most cost-effective indoor trainer kit and AI solution for faster detection of diseases such as pneumonia and sepsis. Prior to joining LTTS, he has held multiple leadership positions during his tenure with Wipro, Nelco and IISc.
Thank you, Ria. So, dear all, I would like to thank Mr. Thomas and Agape for having me here. I really cherish opportunities like this, especially when the technology plays an important role, in the lives of the people. As a technologist myself, I feel, the engineering of acumen is the one which would differentiate between outstanding organization versus ordinary ones. With this in mind, I congratulate Agape on this memorable occasion in launching this product in the Indian market. Since its inception, Agape has been continuously creating notable benchmarks in the Indian diagnostic industry. As a result, Agape is established as high repute and known in the industry among the top innovating company in the diagnostic segment. My company, L&T Technology Services, is a leading global player in the engineering services domain. In the medical devices business, we leverage our deep domain expertise and technology powers to serve our customers. I am proud to inform you that we serve 8 of the top world's biggest medical devices companies, and also we have close to 40 plus patents with our customers. Thus, L&T and Agape partnership for the product development is a natural choice. So we are proud to contribute in the development of 3-part hematology cell counter and releasing it to the market. Of course, this has been done in spite of multiple challenges, whether it could be in the flow control or it could be in the thermal. However, the team rise to the occasion to solve some of these kind of problems. It has been developed from scratch, that is from ideation till the product launch, whether it's a mechatronics, software, firmware and connectivity. I strongly believe our coming together will make a significant difference for the countless of people in our country, and this would help in reducing the cost while detecting infectious diseases like tuberculosis, malaria, dengue, rat fever, etc. I take this opportunity to wish all the best to Agape for the glorious product in the EVD segment, and wish future endeavor and look forward to a long lasting and enriching partnership. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for speaking with us. The integral part of Agape R&D team, Mr. Varghese Ausif, is a man of high revenue generating projects. Under his guidance and leadership, the team was able to develop key projects such as Intelligent Specific Protein Analyzer MISPA I2, and other head-on projects include MISPA I3, I4, MISPA Viva, MISPA Label, MISPA View, MISPA Lume, and now the first indigenous 3-part hematology analyzer MISPA Count X. Sir, it's an extreme honor to be part with you in this mega launch event.
Thank you, Ria.
I welcome you, sir.
I am very happy to be a part of MISPA Count X launch. My team was at crossroads when we first thought about the type of equipment to be developed and the role played by technology against the value that healthcare delivers to patients. On one hand, the global industry is developing modular systems in hematology, and on the other hand, health industry in India is facing increasing cost constraints with imported equipment all over. The need of the hour is for innovation and affordability to coexist for the long-term benefit of all, as we had done it earlier through our MISPA I series. Our unwavering focus on quality continues with effort spread across all our R&D projects, rationalizing the manufacturing footprint and so on. Our team strive to be the key determinant in bringing the first made in India hematology analyzer, MISPA Count X. We focused on optimizing the cost by utilizing our resources with greater involvement of our team to make MISPA Count X more efficient. With a strategic tie-up with L&T Technology Services, a good mix of applied industry relevant research was possible to help strengthen the competitive edge MISPA Count X. Through it all, we want to build up the capability to translate basic research into practical and viable applications that are relevant to support the healthcare industry and their economic needs as well. We look ahead to make very timely moves as there is a tremendous potential to transform our solutions through new technologies. The trend of digitization, artificial intelligence, big data, the Internet of Things will enable new ways to laboratory testing. It will make Indian IVD more efficient and productive, reducing repeat testing and also facilitating remote preventive maintenances and services. Technology will also enable us to push for more affordable and sustainable solutions. Today, when companies go virtual, every aspect of research, product development, suppliers, material management, manufacturing, we at Agape holds on to innovation, which is a global solution without boundaries. This is the beginning, the start of an exciting journey, and we look forward to many more fruitful projects to help the medical fraternity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Varghese, for talking with us. Ladies and gentlemen, let me take this opportunity to call upon our head marketing KC Abraham to take us to the most awaited part of the event. Hello, sir.
Thank you, Ria.
Please take over the stage.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to be here for this MISPA Countex launch. And when we say it's MISPA Countex from India, it's a great moment and a great feeling. And we are happy to say that all our medical fraternity, our consultants, our pathologists, our business partners, and other members of the IVD industry are witnessing this event. And when we say it's MISPA Countex from India, it's a moment when we say that it's Atmanirbhar Bharat. It's going vocal about local, and that is where we say MISPA Countex is a great feeling, and we say it is MISPA Countex from India. And the most awaited moment of the day is the prize for this MISPA Countex. Ladies and gentlemen, and for the most exciting and awaited moment of the day, the price of MISPA Countex from India, it is 1,99,000 plus taxes. And that's not all. Being the largest manufacturer of reagents in India, we are going to bring the CPRT at 7 rupees per test on fair usage. And this product is now all yours. You can start booking it